For this video, I would like to talk about morning routines. We usually hear that we need to have a morning routine, a practice that we do every morning so we can feel strong and we can go out and go to the world and not fall apart. I can writing in my journal, so I take about 10 minutes, maybe 15 to write in my journal and reflect and things like that. And after that, I read some inspiring books to give me another perspective, so that way I start the day in a great way instead of with bad news or whatever. I try to do 5-minute meditation. It's really hard when you're not used to it because you have to focus your mind and avoid engaging in the thought that comes, and it's not always easy. Sometimes when I'm meditating, I'm trying to schedule my day. This is not what we want to do. We want to be still, we want to be silent, and we don't want to engage in any thoughts. But it's not because it's hard that you won't continue. You have to practice until you become better. Building a morning routine is it's not always easy. It took me some times and I'm still struggling to keep up with it, but the only thing I can say is that when I respect it, it really helps me to feel great, to feel in great shape. It really helps. So I would encourage you. And another thing is that not everyone feels that they need to have a morning routine. Some people have a night routine. Some people have, a noon routine. It all depends on the person. So just find the time that works best for you and try to build some rituals and some habits that will help you to stay in great shape and help you to be productive and just to go for the day the best way.